No cuts, no bullshit. 5 technical skills that every engineer needs. And number 1 is understanding how manufacturing processes work, such as subtractive manufacturing, additive manufacturing, and form processes manufacturing. I'll put that on the caption below. Check it out. Understand how they work. Okay, number 2 is knowing a 3D CAD design. It doesn't matter whether it's SolidWorks, Fusion 360, Blender. I prefer the other 2, but it doesn't matter. Knowing how to use these softwares will take you a long way because it gives you the opportunity to do an analysis on these parts. For example, if you had a long limb and you're trying to see how much force it can take, you can do analysis in that in SolidWorks and understand how much load it can take depending on the material, the length, etc. Know how to use 3D CAD softwares. It goes so far. Alright, number 3, basic knowledge in circuits and electrical devices. For example, understanding how a battery works through positive and negative, how it can power a small LED. For example, if you have the positive connected to the positive lead of a LED and the negative connected to the negative lead of an LED, it lights up. Wow! Something simple like that can go a long way. And to be honest, you can actually try it by using a breadboard, or honestly looking at how your lights work in your house can go a long way. Understanding these go a long way. Number 4, programming and automation. I personally learned this a lot in high school through what's called ladder logic, which is for PLCs that allowed me to understand, hey, if this set of rules meets, then this is allowed. However, if this set of rules don't meet, then this is not allowed. For example, that logic and programming goes a long way for when you go out in the real world and see how things work in engineering, assembly lines, etc. Number 5, please know how to measure shit. Let me emphasize, you need to know how to measure. My professor was so mad that certain people didn't know how to measure using calipers and a tape measure. So learn how to measure things with, this is specifically meant for engineering and other things for design. I just want to say, learn how to use a tape measure or calipers to measure certain things for design because they have tolerances and certain needs for design. And yeah, that is it. Those are my 5 tips, technical skills that you need to learn. Follow if you liked it. I see ya.